All right, I'm putting up the this vinyl 2 foot by 4 foot sheets on the ceiling. I'm going to show you how you can do it by yourself. I'm not saying it's easy, but it can be done. I've seen all kind of gluing patterns, but this is the way I chose to do mine. So, like I say, I looked at several different descriptions, and everybody gave a different pattern to set up. But what I've done is I took old flooring boards, not flooring boards, but ceiling, floor. Get straight here in a minute. It would took up laminate flooring, and I put a handle on it. And so, if you got something like that, just recess the screws a little bit so they won't scratch it up. But get set up here. All I do is I pull my sheet out over this, and I'm gonna set this up here where you can kind of see what I'm doing. As I said, it's not really easy. It gets a little easier as you do more of it, but this kind of keeps it flopping around. Get your we got a few seconds to move it if it's not quite right. And I'm kind of eyeballing and make sure it's lined up with the next line there, and get your dots, and I look kind of look at the dots, get them lined up best I can, and kind of make sure the glue's stuck good. There you have it. So, does make it a little easier if you got somebody to maybe hand you your paint roller, catch your board, and like I say, I just took these old flooring boards that we had left over, and took up actually off the floor, and my handle is just a little bit tight here. Knuckles don't hardly fit in it, but it's what I had, and so if you got some kind of handle, you can put in it, and that works real good. Keeps it steady, and so you can put it up one person that way. Matter of fact, depending on who your help is, it's maybe easier doing it by yourself than it is with two people, unless somebody else knows what they're doing. But that's one way that you can do it with one person.